I'm also going to show you how you can find the percentage and rank your data in order. Okay, so let's get started. So suppose we want to do that. We have mathematics scores. Okay, we have pupils scores in mathematics. Suppose we have scores of pupils from their mathematics tests. So we have mathematics test scores, right? So mathematics test scores there. And then let's say we have here, we're going to have the name of the pupil. Let's say here we have the marks this pupil scored in test 1, the marks that pupil scored in test 2, the marks that pupil scored in test 3. Then we are going to find the mean mark. Okay, then we are going to find the percentage. Now remember, each of the tests had was written out of 100 marks. Okay, so we have percentage, and then we have rank. Okay, so the name of the pupil is there. Suppose we have this pupil by Lee. Okay, we have another pupil by the name of Zoe. Okay, so we have another pupil there by the name of John. We have another pupil by the name of Chama, right? So we have another pupil by the name of Persis. Okay, so you can have many names as possible. Okay, you can have a lot of pupils in class, and you just need to have an idea, and you can do the same using Excel. And so you have the marks that each pupil scored, right, in test 1. So this pupil scored 45, this pupil scored 67, this pupil scored 24, Chama scored 80, Persis scored 90, right? In the second test, Lee scored 56, Zoe scored 70, John scored that's 60, Chama scored that's 78, then Persis scored 89. Then in test 3 we have Lee there scoring 70, we have Zoe scoring 90, we have John scoring 79, we have Chama scoring 99, then we have Persis scoring 100%. Alright, now the mean mark, in short, we want to find the mean. Okay, alright, so we want to find the mean. Okay, now to find the mean, you know that mean, to calculate the mean, sorry about that, to find the mean you need to add, right? You add 45 plus 56 plus 70, right? So you add the values you have, okay, then divide by the number of those values you have added, right? So you need to find the sum, and then you divide by the number of the values you have. Okay, so how do you do that? So you type sum in Excel, then you choose sum there. It is showing you from number what to number what. Okay, so we are starting from cell B3, right, to cell D3. Okay, so that is what we have. Now this is just the sum, we're just finding the sum. Look at this. If I click enter, the sum is 171, right? Okay. Now we need to divide this by 3 if you want to find the mean, okay, because we have added 3 terms, and that will give us 57.00. Now you can get rid of those 00, right? We don't want to have any decimal places, so we can remove that. Okay. Now we have found the mean mark for one pupil, so all you have to do is just to press your cursor there and extend what you have calculated, and Excel is going to do that for you, right? As you can see there. Now you can find the percentage, right? So to find the percentage here, you can click here so that it shows you percent, right? It means whatever you're going to write here is going to be in percent. So you have equal to, how do you calculate the percent? We know that percentage, we are going to get the mean mark, right? This is the mark that, the mean mark that a pupil scored out of 300 total marks, okay? Each test was out of 100, right? So each test was written out of 100. Then the mean mark is 57. The total marks were 300, right? So to find the percentage, we need to divide the mean mark, which is 57, out of the total marks, 300. Now we're supposed to multiply this by 100, right? If you want percentage, to convert this into percentage, right? Now remember, you can't do that because we have already commanded Excel here to put whatever value we calculate in percentage, right? So you don't need to do that to multiply by 100, okay? So you just need to click enter, and you can see the value you get is already in percentage, okay? So you just have to make sure there you click percentage, okay? Now we can extend this to the rest of the pupils, and we are going to get the percentage. Now we can rank the pupils. We do this to find out who scored the first position in class, second, and third, and other grades, okay? So to do that, you start with equal, okay? You use equal sign, then you use rank. So what do you want to rank? So just click on rank. It will show you what numbers do you want to rank. So we want to rank the mean mark. We want to rank our pupils with regard to their mean marks, okay? So after that, you put a comma. Now your reference is just this column, column E, where you have mean mark, okay? Then comma again. Then here just choose any descending or ascending and click enter. So this shows us this pupil has scored position 4 in class, right? Okay, so you can extend the rank, and there we go. You can see, you're able to see the pupil who scored the first position in class. Persis scored position 1 in class, and you can see Chama scored the second position. You can see Zoe scored third position, John scored 5th position, and Lee scored 4th position, right? So this is how you perform ranking in Excel.